Hello, how are you all doing? I'm sure you are doing very well today. Okay, we're going to continue with Igbo learning today. And what we are going to be discussing is expressing negation in Igbo. Negation here has to do with when you are in disagreement to something, when something is not going to happen. How do you say that in Igbo? Okay. Now, anytime negation is expressed in Igbo, the suffix GHI is added to the auxiliary verb. Now, that GHI is called ri. It is always the opposite of the positive sentences. Now, we're going to understand as we go on. Now, we're going to look at negative present continuous tense. Negative present continuous tense. In Igbo, the present continuous tense is expressed with na as the auxiliary verb. In other words, when you want to say something in present continuous tense in Igbo, you put na. Na is the helping verb. For instance, Chinenye na-abịa taa. Chinenye na-abịa taa. It means Chinenye is coming today. It's a sentence in present continuous tense. You can see na is helping abia. Chinenye na abia. Chinenye is coming. So that's present continuous. Now when you want to say it in the negative present continuous tense, we now add GHI at the back of na. That is, we add ri. It becomes Chinenye nage abiata. Chinenye anage abiata. Chinenye is not coming today. Anyị na-eri ụtara. We are eating fufu. Anyị anaghị eri ụtara. We are not eating fufu. Ha na-eje ahịa. They are going to the market. Ha anaghị eje ahịa. They are not going to the market. Ụlọma na-agba egwu n'ezi. Ụlọma na-agba egwu n'ezi. Uloma is dancing outside. Uloma anaghị agba egwu n'ezi. Uloma is not dancing outside. Danjuma na-egbu ehi ugbu a. Danjuma is killing cow now. Danjuma anaghị egbu ehi ugbu a. Danjuma is not killing cow now. So you can see how to say something in the negative when it is present continuous. It's not difficult. You have to practice it to get used to it. Now let's look at negative past tense. Now to express negative past tense in a sentence, we write the opposite of the past tense. You understand that? We do that by removing the suffix r, that's r, with associated letter and adding re to the verb. Okay, let's see example. For instance, o jere akwụkwọ n'ụtụtụ. O jere akwụkwọ n'ụtụtụ. Now the verb there is jere. Jere. He went to school in the morning. It's a sentence in past tense. So you can see that in that jere, we remove r and the e at the end, that's re. We remove re. So to form the negative past tense, we remove the re at the back of jere and add GHI. When we do that, the sentence becomes Ojeri akwụkwọ n'ụtụtụ. See that? Ojeri akwụkwọ n'ụtụtụ. He did not go to school in the morning. Nsiri ofe taa. I cooked soup today. So siri is the verb. So you remove re and then put GHI. Re. Nsiri ofe taa. I did not cook soup today. Azuka bịara Abuja n'abalị. Azuka came to Abuja at night. Azuka abịaghị Abuja n'abalị. Azuka did not come to Abuja at night. Chiamaka sara ahụ tupu ọ pụọ. Chiamaka bathed before she left. Chiamaka asaghị ahụ. See that? Tupu ọ pụọ. We remove ra and put re, that's Chiamaka Sari Ahotupo Opo. Chiamaka did not bathe before she left. Ekene churu mmiri. Ekene fetched water. Ekene churu mmiri. Ekene did not fetch water. So these are a few examples we're going to give today. I'd like you to practice. Learning Igbo is very simple. All you need is anytime you see my lessons, you make sure you practice. If you don't practice, you will not remember. But if you keep practicing, before long, you get used to it. Now try this on your own. Form 2 negative sentences each with a negative present continuous tense and then negative past tense. Kemesiano.